Well, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're fitting well. It's a good day here, and feeling good about this trade now because in the last, well, as you can see here, we're getting close to the London Open. In fact, excuse me, let me say close to the European Open, and maybe some traders in London will be starting, but this is definitely on the right side of the trade. So the barrier for us, we've got to be below 139.82, and right as we stand right now, we're 139.56. So it's, shall we say, going in the right direction. Obviously a bit of support here, but nothing to worry about as long as it stays below the barrier. And you can see the barrier there. Okay. The line going across the screen there, 139.82. We're 139.58 at the moment. So all looking rather promising. We've got just over 2 hours to go, as you can see from here. And I suppose, assuming that London doesn't start buying the pound again aggressively, this is looking rather good. Now, there's no information and there's no fundamental or economic announcement on the pound coming up today, so we're trading a pullback from the Tillerson news. That is Rex Tillerson, who was fired by Mr. Donald Trump. Last night when I placed this trade, the markets had really overshot, at least in my view anyway, and hence that's why I went for a trade that would be below 39.82. As you can see, it went up and down a little bit, but you're never going to get in, or it's extremely rare that you would get in actually at the perfect price. But I was happy with 139.82, and at the moment we're looking good. It's coming up to it's about 10 to 8 in London in the morning, and Europe will be opening, and then London will get into full swing about 1 hour later. So as long as the volume doesn't push the price up again, then this is looking like a promising trade. We will be out before the US data comes out. Okay, and one thing I did on this was I looked at the time slots, time zones, and planned the trade carefully regarding timing and level of entry. So with the binary option, that's what is crucial, because you've got time limits on these things. You can increase quickly if you start scaling up, obviously, your profits, but you've got to get your timing right, and that's where a lot of people do go wrong. And you've got to get your entry levels right, and you should be going in where the banks are probably going in, which is basically based on their support and resistance lines, and the banks are trading on what the clients want, and support and resistance work extremely effectively. Time and sales in the banks, something that retail traders don't see, but that's a subject for another video. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update. There are 3 previous videos on this particular trade, but just wanted to keep you updated with fresh content, and just over 2 hours to go. So this is looking good, and I'll catch you later. Wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're well. Be good to each other, and I'll do an update later on about this. Thanks for watching. All the best. Bye.